Hello students, a warmest greetings to you all. Hope all of you fine. I think everyone learned the portion each and every day. We are sending the video. I hope everyone watched the video and you are learning the question answer. Everything I sent it in the PDF format in your WhatsApp group. Please once again go and see that question answer and learn the portion. Some students are asking the question answer. Please ma'am send it separately like that. Now only you are seeing that question answer where it is. First itself I said what are the questions I have sent. I said immediately you have to see and write the portion in the booklet and learn. Now you are asking please send the question answer. Don't do that like that. First itself if you watch it and if you write the question answer in the booklet, if you learn now it's so easy for you, nothing will be there. Okay, your last minutes you are struggling, last minutes you are asking the question answer, don't repeat that. Okay student. Okay, today my video is based on the revision. Okay, next lesson, the second lesson, formatting data in Excel 2016. The presentations of data and its appearance on a printed page is called the formatting. Okay, inside the Excel, what are the formatting options are there? We are going to discuss about this lesson. Okay, these are the main home page of the Excel sheet. Okay, inside the Excel sheet, what are the formatting options are there? We are going to see that. Okay. While seeing the picture itself, you can able to understand your home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view, more options are there. These are the formatting options. Okay, after writing inside the Excel, check it one by one and you can do the formatting. Okay, you can using that font formatting, you can change the font size, font color. Okay, these are the things you can use it using that formatting data. Okay, I'll explain. Inside the formatting data in Excel, in this lesson there are 4 subheadings there. Let's listen that what are they. Okay student, in this second lesson we are going there are 4 subheadings there. First one is the font formatting. Using that font formatting, we can change the font size and the font color. Okay, while watching the previous video, the second lesson video, you can able to understand what is it. Okay, not only font size, font color, we can change them. Bold, italic and underline, background color, borders, everything we can change it using the font formatting. Okay, next thing is the alignment and variation of data. Using this alignment and variation of data, we can change the alignment. Alignment refers to the positions where data is placed within the boundary of the cell. Okay, alignment is nothing. We can align the left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, then top alignment, middle alignment, bottom alignment, some orientation, merge and center option, decrease indent, increase indent, wrap text. These are the subheadings of the alignment and orientations of the data. Okay, while watching the video you may know what they did. Okay, how to align the left, how to align right, everything we can see using that alignment and orientation of data. Okay, next is the number formatting. Okay, using that number formatting, do you remember what we did? We can change that number in the currency format, accounting, short data, long data, time, percentage format, fraction format, scientific format. Like this format we are changing using this number formatting option. Okay, finally we learn in this lesson as a cell style. Using the cell style, what are the things we can do? Applying the cell style, we can change the color. Okay, how we can select the cell style? First you have to select the cell, then click the cell style in the style group on the home tab, then click on the more arrow to display the live preview of the other cell style, then select the desired style. Some styles are display down, you have to select any one cell style and you can do it. Okay, these things we learn in this second lesson. Okay, revise it. Next lesson about the third lesson. The third lesson topic is advanced features of the Excel 2016. Okay, some more features is there in the Excel. That features we learn in this lesson. Okay, I'll teach what are the things are available in this lesson. Listen. First, the topic is the autofill. Okay. In this lesson, advanced features of Excel, we learned autofill. Autofill is nothing, we couldn't be able to type it fully. Okay, first, for example, I can say in the year totally 12 months are there. Okay, you have to type only the first month, January. After type it, just you drag the mouse to the entire column. Automatically the February, March, April, May, June, July, everything automatically fill it. It will fill. Okay, you no need to type it. That is the use of the autofill. Not only month, week, day also you can use it like this. You can use it. This is autofill. Next heading is the flash fill. Flash fill is nothing. It's a one set of data, which means you can, for example, I can say the flash fill features recognize the data fill pattern existing in the selected cell of the worksheet and fill the target cell accordingly. To understand the flash fill, consider the worksheet. You have to type the email ID, the first name and the last name in the pattern of the first name and the last name and at gmail.com. Like that you have to assign it in the one cell. After that, no need to type it. Okay, after that you have to type some some names, first name, second name alone you have to type it. Then the third column, just you have to type the Ctrl plus E button. Automatically all the column it filled by the first lesson, first name, second name and the at the gmail.com. You can understand the first column alone you have to assign it. Okay, after that all the second, third, fourth, they fill all the column automatically it will fill. That is called as the flash fill. Then third topic is the sorting. Sorting is nothing. It's rearranging the data with maybe the textual or numerical or alphanumerical or mixed letter or the number in the specified order. It is, if it is mixed format, using the sorting method we can arrange it into correctly. That is called as the sorting. The next heading is the filtering. Filtering, from the word itself we can say filter features selectively block or hide the data you don't want to see it. Okay, a filtered range displays only the rows, column that meet the conditions or the criteria you specify. Okay, using the filter, unwanted things we can we avoid it. The wanted things only we can keep it in the MS Excel. More options are there. Custom filtering, you can assign the filter highest or lowest value filtering. Everything is available. The next heading is the conditional formatting. Okay, using the conditional formatting features that allows you to set the cell format according to the conditions you specify. For example, using the conditional formatting, you can display the numbers in a particular color depending on the whether they are greater than or equal to or less than or the certain value. Okay, the condition formatting command is available in the style group of the home tab. Okay, more options are there. After type it, what are the things you want, using this conditional formatting you can format it. After that you can clear the formatting also. After do it you can clear it. Okay, then finally we learn more sorting and filtering option. Okay, first we learn the sorting and filtering separately, then some more features are there, more sorting and more filtering. Using that option we can do the more option, more sorting and more filtering option. We want to arrange the data such that all the plain rows and or top. For this we need this short by the cell color, which can be done as which can be shown in the figure. Okay, here one figure is given. Already I taught this portion. Okay, once you revise it and learn it. Okay, these are about the first 3 lessons. Okay. Students, thank you. I revised all first 3 lessons. If you want any clarification, please watch the first 9 videos already posted. Again and watch it and learn it. Okay. Question answer. First itself I said I sent it in the PDF format. First lesson 1 word and question answer. Second lesson 1 word question answer. Third lesson 1 word and question answer. 3 lesson also I sent it in your WhatsApp group. Please search it and write it in the booklet and learn it and write the test well. The next year we will see some more improvement of this academic year. You are sitting inside the home and what we are doing we don't know. We are sending each and every day the videos and the question answer. Please utilize the time, write the test well.